Hey, what's up, everybody? If you've ever struggled to find new prospects for your agency, or more specifically, if you're looking to white label a software as a service and are looking for a really great platform, not only am I going to show you the actual platform itself, but I'm going to show you how to use it for prospecting. So the company itself is Boomerangme. You can check out the link below, and really what they are is they are really simply a digital loyalty card company. So if you think about going into a coffee place or a pizza place, sub shop, something like that, usually it's food, drink. It could be any kind of membership deal with like a gym membership or something like that, where every time you visit, if you get a stamp or they click it, this is a digital focused one, and it helps for the business to keep recurring business coming, because people are incentivized to come back. They're incentivized to spend more. And this platform, Boomerangme, also known as just Boomerang here, but it's Boomerangme, is going to help you to provide that service to local businesses. And it's all handled on the back end of this software. I did another video. You can check it out. I'll link it below as well. That literally walks you through this process A to Z a little bit better. But today, what I wanted to share with you specifically is their prospecting tool that they just launched. So depending on where you are, you can literally just, they have a back end here, and it's their prospecting area. And let's just say I wanted to be talking about food and beverage or retail or hospitality, medicine, professional services. These things are all over the place, and I can literally just choose anywhere in the country. So I'm in Philadelphia, but for the purposes right here, let's go into, let's say, like Colorado Springs. This video is brought to you by Trips. Trips is a new way to protect and monetize your content as a content creator. It's also a great way of accessing capital for your content on YouTube, which can help grow your audience, produce more content, buy new gear, whatever you choose. It's super easy to get started, and you'll be selling partial interests of your copyrights in no time, and of course, getting paid. The early access beta is now accepting signups, so just check out the link right below to get started. And a huge thank you to Trips for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate it. And now back to the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just search in this area. Now, as you load your account in the first place with Boomerangme, it'll already know where you are. So once you create that white label platform or integration, it'll already know where you're located. So if you're just trying to look in the area around you, it'll default. This map will automatically pop up when when you log in. But just for the sake of this, I want to show you that you can go outside your area. So let's just say I wanted to find professional services. Let's say we want to look for real estate. No, let's do auto repair shops in Colorado Springs. So obviously it already started to pop up, but if it didn't, I would just click that search in this area button. And you can zoom in as much as you want. So again, just searching in the area allows me to see all these different companies, and disregard this Philadelphia part because I was trying to see if I could just type in the area. But really what we're going to see is a list of all these different companies that are located in the area, and we're going to be able to get all their information if we want. And just by simply clicking here, we'll see their business, their reviews, their address, the website, phone numbers. But what I'm going to do next is kind of show you what really gets cool, and it's the opportunity to be able to add in a bunch of these as sub-accounts immediately, and then we're going to prospect with them by showing them a specific landing page for their business. And that's where I think it really gets exciting. But I want to just show you, before we get into it any deeper, that there's a whole bunch of different categories. There's food and beverage, and as noticed, again, these are usually kind of the number one, in my opinion, for digital loyalty, where you've got restaurants, coffee shops, cafes, food trucks, bars and pubs, you think pizza places, stuff like that. You've got your health and wellness. So this is another thing that gets a lot of recurring. Hair salons, nail salons, yoga studios, gyms, and then again, even more retail, so like your boutiques, your furniture stores, your vape shops, your hobby shops, toy stores, and this is again locally business focused. Jewelry stores is another great one. Mattress stores, home goods stores. Now these might not, like mattress stores, may not get a ton of visitors, but again, the opportunities are there. hotels, bed and breakfasts, computer centers, banquet halls, exhibition centers, again, medicine. This is really great. So pharmacies, dental clinics, plastic surgery, med spas, stuff like that. And then, of course, your professional services. This is where I think a lot of agencies will be working in this space, where it's law firms, real estate agents, insurance agencies, vets, car dealers, auto body shops, dog groomers. And all you're going to literally do is just click on this, and it's going to just load all the vets in the area. And again, you'll see quickly all the different companies that are out there. And you can, like I said, we can zoom out of this and just change, and we can make this real big if we want. But we, if we wanted to go into a different area of the country, and let's just say, I wanted to do Columbus, Ohio. Again, all I'm going to do is click search this area, and it's going to show me all of them in that area. And so it's really pretty an effective way of finding the businesses that are specific to a different area. And then what we can do is then create a sub account. So I've already created one for the purposes of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into that right now. All right, so what we're going to do is then create a actual sub account. So let's just pick a company. Let's do with the Melrose Vet. And all we have to do is go ahead and hit the create sub account button. And that'll load up all our information here. So if we want to put any kind of custom information or anything like that, select the plan that we eventually want them to be on. When we decide what we want to charge them, we can adjust the pricing here. But for the purposes of that, we're just going to create the account, click add. We're going to associate it with what kind of business it is. We'll do medicine here, and we'll hit create. So the next thing we want to do is just go into our sub accounts area, which is right here, and we'll then see our actual sub account. And so if we want to update any information, we go ahead and click on that button. We can see the plan that we're on. We can change the all the information that we want here, update it. As far as like if we know it's Bob Jones, we want to update that. Any notes we want to put in there, we can do all those things. What I want to do next is create a proposal. And so just by clicking on that button, what I've done is created a very specific proposal. And again, this would be white labeled for you. I'm just kind of showing you exactly what it is. What you want to do is actually make sure you white label your account. So it'll have your information, and it'll have all that stuff updated. So this is great because, again, what we'll see here is it's a simple landing page. You'll have a custom URL up here specific to your business, and it'll walk you literally through a opportunity guide for that business. So if I'm talking specifically to the Melrose Vet, which again, this will be a customized landing page, I can ask them to fill in what their numbers are, their current numbers, how many transactions they do, I'll call it 100. What their average cost is. Let's just say it's $400. And I can show them what their potential revenue increase would be by using our digital loyalty app, and what the increase in potential average check size is. And now this is all based on the average person utilizing this digital loyalty card platform is increasing. So when the numbers are, they're going to show you a 40% uptick in revenue and a 30% uptick in the average check. But it doesn't stop there. You can install the demo card. You can literally have them scan it. You can customize all this stuff. Really what it does is it creates a simple opportunity for you to go from no prospects, no clients, finding a prospect, getting some information about them, creating a very quick landing page that you can then just send to them directly, and you'll have their contact information. You can call them, you can email them. It's literally a very long, as you can tell, and wonderful landing page that will be customized for you to send to them. So hopefully this is something that might be of interest. If it is, check out that link below. If not, looking forward to talking to you on the next video. Thanks for watching.